Assalamualaikum everybody. It's very good afternoon. So wonderful program organized is pleasure from me. This is Aklim Akhtaria. I am from Kumilla. Kumilla city is third largest in Bangladesh and educationally Kumilla is enriched. I am very happy to be here with you and deeply honored to be standing in front of you. There present honorable judges, host and my beloved learner friend, thank you so much from my heart. Actually, I am not good speaker. So, if I any mistake, please excuse me. Anyway, I am trying to my level best and say something about my according topics. My topics is women and development. Women and development is a very dynamic, diplomatic and important topics for Bangladesh. The poet Kazi Nazrul Islam says that whatever the great question on earth is everlasting, the women did half and other did half the male. The equal contribution of women and men through the unprecedented of success is civilization is unexpected. So the development of Bangladesh cannot be imagined by single participation for men excluding women, but more ages the women have been exploited. So every year on 8 March, World Women's Day is celebrated with the call of Women's Day Liberation. It was organized in New York on 8 March 1857 workers from Women's Day Union. The development women's policy was formulated in Bangladesh in 2011. But at present generation, 21st century, thinks that development effect is both women and men, the mostly differently with more a negative impact on the women. It's not expectable for us, it's not desirable for us, because at present time progressive in the development in the country. So the women are large part of population of Bangladesh. So pre-condition development in development women's. I hope they are present. Everyone has noticed that the woman is underpaid for going to the same job as a man. This is common things to see you, even independent countries. It's not like that. What is the prevent for women development? I want to say, please, common things, please, positive things, come to the point. The development and depend women, we can reach the highest level of success at family, countries, international level. To see you greeting, the women are playing same roles. All of level from workers. They are not only housemaker. They have to lot of skill. They have to lot of talented. Even management to country. The women are playing successful development of the operating the country. So I want to say again, women and development is a very important concept. It based on the recognition status and their roles of the development of society. So all communities need to make sure that it bring positive change and we can reach the highest level. That's all of to listen my speech. Thank you all of.